EUCs can fit many kinds of tires, both bicycle and motorcycle ones. The downside is that none of them fit like a glove. Therefore, you may have to center the tire manually after a tube replacement, a tire change, or even on a brand new EUC. Here's how you do it. Set 2 chairs back to back with some space in between. Turn your wheel upside down on the ground and lift the wheel from the pedals. Try to set it on top of the chairs. Put the wheel back on the ground, readjust the chairs, and try again. Push the chairs as close to the wheel's body as you can. Deflate the tire until you can push the tire in and out of the rim. Follow the line on the tire closely while you rotate the tire. Push down any high spots and pull out any low spots. Repeat on the other side of the tire. Once you think you're done, inflate to 1 bar or 15 psi, spin the tire and see if it runs straight. If not, repeat the process. Once successful, the tire will run straight. Small wiggle is okay, as it will often fix itself a little while riding. Thanks for watching.